Here's a new 2022 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Athletic elegance, refined performance. This is Genesis. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.